What is up, everybody? I am back with yet the other product review, guys. This is stressing me out. I have so many products that I need to review. It is crazy. A lot of brands are selling me stuff now, and I'm finding new stuff at different stores that I never even seen before. And then there's so many companies that's coming out with so many new product lines. Cantu just came out with 3 new maximum strength hold gel. I have one of those gels that I'm going to be reviewing, which is the anti-shedding gel. They also have other gel that came out for strengthening, which was with the Jamaican black castor oil. Then they have the third one that came out, which is for moisture retention, which was with flaxseed oil. The one that I got, the anti-shedding one, is with honey. The reason why I picked this one up is because it just smells better than the other two. I don't know. It smells much better than the other two. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna use this one for the video. I'm not gonna lie, as soon as Cantu came out with that picture on Instagram saying that they're gonna be coming out with new gels, I literally went to Elegant Beauty Supply twice a week till I finally found these about 4 days ago. And it was next to the Eco Style gel. So go all the way down in the aisle and get you some of this gel. Online, they were selling this for $11.99. At Elegant Beauty Supply, I got it for like $4 something. I don't know, but I wasn't paying no $11.99 for this. Y'all got to be kidding me. So my hair is freshly washed. It is kind of damp right now. It's kind of air dry, so of course I have my water bottle. I'm going to be applying first my all-time favorite, which is the Sheer Moisture Detangler, just to make sure it is properly detangled, moisturized, and then I slap on the gel to the top of it to make sure that it keeps the hold. So the only thing different I'm going to be using in this system is, of course, the gel. I'm just going to add water to my hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply the Sheer Moisture Detangler. Guys, do not be alarmed when this happens or that white stuff shows. It goes away, it fades away, just help it detangle and moisturize the hair. So trust me, it's nothing serious. It don't stain your hair. If you have not tried the Sheer Moisture Detangler, then I suggest trying it out. According to Cantu, it's an anti-shedding gel infused with honey and is perfect for maximum hold and to add help and elongated curls to protect against shedding. Medium to 100% pure shea butter, Cantu reveals the real authenticity of beauty. There's no alcohol, no parabens, no sulfates, no silicone. So it is very thick, nothing crazy about it. With the feeling, it's like any typical gel. The gel smells a lot like the curling cream, so that's why I think I gravitated to this scent a little bit more. I love the curling cream. They did mention to add the curling cream to your hair before adding in this product. So what I'm gonna do is on one half of my hair use the curling cream, and then the other half of my hair just use my Sheer Moisture Detangler. So we'll see. So let me give a close up. So far this is what the gel is looking like. This is what the first set of curls are looking like. It definitely defined, definitely soft and popping. So I'm kind of excited. I'm kind of shook to see how long these curls are gonna last. I came across the coconut curling cream that they said to apply before applying that gel. Now I'm not gonna lie, I used to love this product. The only reason why I really stopped using it because a lot of Cantu products, if you mix it with other gels or anything else, it tends to flake. So that's the reason why I didn't use it. So now that we have a maximum holding gel and a curling cream, I think I'm going to combine the two, like I said before. But the only thing is, I don't have much in here. As you guys can see, I told you I love the product. I used to use it all the time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do it to just the front area here of my hair. I think that should be enough for it. I don't know, because I was planning to do one half with this and then the other half with the Sheer Moisture, but that definitely can't happen with this little bit of cream. So I'm going to just use it to the top of my hair, and I'm going to just go ahead and continue to do the back of my hair with the Sheer Moisture Detangler. So as you guys can see, the product does stick to just the top section of my hair. So I really have to use my fingers and comb it through and blend it in. Because if not, that's what caused the flakes, and that's why I really stopped using Cantu, because there was just so much flakes using it with the Eco Styler gel or any other gel that I added to my hair. Time for some gel. I'll put some to my roots, to my ends, and then glide my hands through. The consistency reminds me of a lot of the wet line, but you're just simply able to glide your fingers through and detangle at the same time. So that's an excellent thing with the texture of it and the feel of it. So far it looks like the two products are blending in really nicely, which is a really good thing, because like I said, Cantu products tend to clash with a lot of gels. A little closer, you guys can see that there is still a lot of white residue on my hair, but hopefully when it dries, it looks a little bit better. So you see, compared to this up front to the back, there's not much residue or white stuff because I used the Sheer Moisture Detangler. But now using this, you do see a little bit of buildup. Come on, Cantu, don't do this to me. I trusted you. I trusted you. I wish I could sing. Like, I would have been singing all the time. I will never speak anymore, I'll just sing. Sing every single thing. It's currently 10:45 right now. So the whole head is completely dry at this point, and as you guys can see, no white residue is left in the hair, so that's an excellent thing. The whole texture of my hair feels very soft and very, I don't know how to describe it. It is super defined still, but like I said, it's the same day. It's currently 10:46 right now, so we have a little bit more time to go. So tomorrow, please God, I'll probably check back in once I'm getting ready for work, and you know, just go from there, see the evolvement from day 1 to day 4. Let's see if it lasts for at least 4 days. So I'll see you guys in another clip. Okay guys, so I am back from work, and then before I take a shower, I just want to show you guys the texture of my hair, what my hair is really looking like. As you guys can see, this side is the side that I put the what is it, the curling cream on my hair, and surprisingly there's absolutely no flakes, which I'm pretty surprised about. There's no flakes on this. Actually, I'm seeing some right here. Just right here I'm seeing some product buildup, but besides that there's not really much flakes. And this side is just like a frizz ball. I don't know what's going on with this. I think what it is, going home today I had my glass down, so the wind was just like blowing on this side and kind of hitting it, so I don't know if that's the excuse that I'm going with, but I think that's really what's causing it, because just right here is frizzy. So then you can see the bottom here has a lot of definition still. My hair still feels really soft, but at the same time it feels kind of sticky. I don't know how to describe it. It's like, I don't know, it's like a clammy, sticky type feeling, but my hair is completely dry. It's still soft, there's no crunch or anything like that, so that is a thumbs up. So if you guys don't like crunch or anything with your hair when doing a wash and go, this is definitely a gel to use. But I don't know if it's gonna last after tomorrow. Like, if this continue to frizz like this, I don't know if I can make it to a 3rd day with my hair out like this. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I totally forgot to come on here and show you guys how my hair looks straight after work. But as you guys can see, I had to pin it up. Excuse my masking face right now. I left here open because I have like a rash in this area right here. Probably can't really see it, but whatever. But anyway, I had to pull up my hair. Like there was no way I was getting to work looking like this because there was too much frizz in this area and there was no definition or anything, and I hate leaving my hair open, especially for work, with no type of definition or anything for my hair. So in order to tame it, I just simply pull it back into like a puff, and then because the curls in the back here was looking a little bit popping, I just left that out, so that way I wouldn't mess up the curl pattern or anything. But the front, the top here was a no-no. So today is only Tuesday and I already had to pull it up. So with that being said, don't forget to subscribe because your girl's on the road to 100K. Don't forget to like if you like this video, share if you want to share this video, you know, it may help somebody out there, and I'll see you guys in my other video.